My Lord, you are my only shelter. You are the supreme controller, you are the supreme proprietor. And at the same time, you are my supreme benefactor. So you know what's mine, what's good for me and what's not good for me. So that is the prayer of a devotee. The prayer of a devotee is, you are my supreme well-wisher and you know. मानस देह गेहो जो किछु मोर orpilu tua pade nanda kishore. So whatever I have, my body, my mind, my home, my family, manasa, deha, geha, jo kichu, whatever belongs to me, orpilu tua pade nanda kishore. I am just offering them to your feet. Because that is the way I can offer myself. How can I offer myself to Krishna? How can I offer myself to you? If I keep something aside and not offer it to you, that means, am I offering myself to you? No, rather I am keeping myself away from you. So whatever belongs to me, whatever is mine, everything is offered to you, Krishna. And that's the way we do Atma Nivedan. We do our surrender.